Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris Ramirez here with a review video of my own offer. You would think, why would the creator make a review of his own offer that's reserved for people that are not the creator? Anyhow, it's just to get in front of you guys what this offer is about. Okay, and you've probably been sent here by an email or social media post of an affiliate of ours that has decided to push this offer, and I just want to go ahead and run by the sales page to you and the members area, okay? Before I send you back on your way to the affiliate that sent you to look for a review for the buyer magnet method by me, okay? Now you'll see it says hack discovered. Turn any product review into an AI powered multi-channel promo that gets clicks, engagement, and sales. And sub, it says the simple flow that lets you promote on Facebook, YouTube, and your email list if you have one, all from one script. This we will be split testing different headlines, um, because it's not just specific to any product review. It can be what you are knowledgeable about in any other expertise. This doesn't necessarily apply to make money online or that work from home niche. It can apply to other things as well using these methods. Okay, to reach organically your audience, mostly in shorts, which I talk about with YouTube, a lot of YouTube stuff. But I do show some cross posting to Facebook as well. But this offer is mostly about growing organically using YouTube Shorts from long form chopping long form down. Okay, and I had to start off with some results from the methods. A video of me explaining what the buyer magnet method is about. Welcome to the page video. Go ahead and read up down some of the leaderboard results. We had all this other stuff. One of the mid tickets. A little bit more results. See, I try to not, as they say, it's called douchebag marketing. Okay, I try not to show results, but I have to show results because to show you that it's possible for you guys. Okay, now it's really up to you if you take action or not, or if you let this collect digital dust. It's really up to you, okay? But now that we're on to this part which says the results and rescue 30-day guarantee, okay? So you got a 30-day money back guarantee. Either you walk away with a working system that grows your list and makes offers convert, or I'll personally jump on with you, help you patch the leaks, and if I still can't for some reason get it to work, help you to get it to work, I'll just give you your money back, guys. I was gonna give you money back anyway. That's why some offers in the past I'd be like 365 money back guarantee because someone asked for a refund, I gave them their money back anyway. It's like regardless 30, 90, it doesn't matter. Okay. Now this one does take a lot of my personal time, especially for a front end, so it might have to be one to many, depending if I get inundated with people that need more of a push or need more of a hand. And depending on the quality of that person, um, investing some higher ticket stuff with me for coaching, maybe even on the table, but that depends on the person, if they're a fit for it or not. Because not all customers are created equal. You have nightmare customers out there, and you have some people that usually when they pay high ticket, are the best customers to have. They matter of fact, mid to higher ticket are the best customers. Period. Okay, low ticket buyers tend to I'm not gonna go there. They could tend to do a lot of things. Okay, I'm not gonna go there. Okay, some facts. A little bit more page. The PS. It's nothing fancy really going on. Got some results. A little bit of what came to be. The split test. We will split test. I'm sorry. The headline. We will split test on multiple headlines because this can apply to not just doing product reviews. It can, like I said, it can apply to any knowledge bombs you drop in a value video. Okay, and you can use that to drive subscribers to your socials and or email list or both simultaneously. Okay. Now let's go into the members area. All right. So when you pick up the buyer magnet method, you'll see this page. I think I got something. Let me refresh the page. Yeah, I knew there was a new video in there because I just put it in there. Okay. Okay. So right here, once you enter into the members area, you'll see this video first. Okay. So you start here, watch this video. Okay, it gives you some context, explanations, certain things, even some missing elements that will be solutioned before we go fully live before the launch. Okay. So you watch the first video. You'll be prompted to join the Facebook group. You'll be prompted to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You want to do these two parts, guys, to stay in close contact with me. I have it set to where my DMs. If you go to Facebook, if you were to DM me and we're not friends, and you said, "Hey, I picked up your product," I'll see it. I have it to where I see everything. I have people. I see it to when people cursing me out. I see it all. I have it set like that in my settings because social media organics is powerful, especially with the DMs. Okay. Um, not to say I'm not saying this offers mostly about YouTube, but I will have an upsell about the way I go about doing attraction marketing using groups, but where you're replying to posts in such a way where they people that are in the group will see it and it's valuable and it's like, man, I didn't know that, or they got some kind of something that moved them to go crawl your profile, which in turns creates the attraction marketing where they come to your profile, and if your profile's optimized, they'll see the newsletter to get on if they want your lead magnet or your freebie or whatever. Then you build in your email list using your social media traffic. So it works hand in hand. That way you're not at the mercy of just social media, which this offer can work without an email list. That was kind of the point, especially the angle I went with this offer, is where you can build your targeted list, so to speak, through the YouTube subscriber list houser that's free, and to build your friends list on Facebook. You want to get anyone coming from YouTube to your Facebook, and from your Facebook to YouTube, vice versa, or what any other socials you have. Social media is the norm these days, guys. This is where your buyers are. They're on social, okay, and it's not just specific to YouTube and Facebook. Okay, let's get into it. So, Maj, you want to talk about building social, emotional. Sorry, I'm saying social so much. Maj, want to talk about building emotional equity. You'll notice the name right here says AI social media emailer. It says AI social emailer elite. That was originally going to be the product name. Excuse me. That was originally going to be the product name, but I changed it to the buyer magnet method instead. But it's about using AI and social and email and emailing, and I put emailer elite, so I just left it. Okay, but I start with building emotional equity, and I go into detail about what I mean, but by building emotional equity, and this. And the way that this video is framed is as if it's the more advanced person coming out of a promo cycle to then build back up the energy bar for a repeat buy from said customer they may already have, okay, already, whether it's social or their email. Okay, or it could be the newbie, okay, that's building their targeted audience. Mainly in this case, I'll talk about YouTube. I know there's some Easter eggs of Facebook in this training. I will have to cut that upsell for the attraction marketing, like I said earlier, for using groups in an attraction marketing format. No DMing required. They come to you. That's why it's called attraction marketing. I'll have to get into that as well. So we got module 2, which talks about AI emailer elite. Video 2, like I said, it could have been the name of the product. I'm just gonna keep it emailer elite. Video 2, talk about bonuses, and the case study I used to build around this was a product called AI Scale Stack by Justin Glover. We brought about 64 clicks and 10 sales to him. Obviously, that's a monster conversion rate. It wasn't even 100 clicks and he got 10 sales from our traffic through these methods. Okay, so I'm not going to go into too much detail here. You see, it's AI Scale Stack. Uh, after the review video, we talk about how we leverage after we went through the review access of the offer. Um, we do our review video. Okay, and when we do our review video, we leverage the script from the review video and the promo details from the JV pages of affiliate offers and the sales page of affiliate offers, and we put it into the AI data set, namely ChatGPT, the main one that everybody's using. I know there's others, but ChatGPT is the first. Obviously, it's all ChatGPT that we use. Um, maybe some AI tools here and there, like the Opus Pro tool talked about earlier, about taking your long form, chopping it down to where it drives you targeted subscribers to your YouTube channel that you can then cross promote to get them onto your Facebook. And if you're doing Facebook organics through groups, vice versa, get them to your YouTube channel. Okay, through posts, shorts, and engagement and DMing. Okay, no need to sell anybody here. Just bring lead with value on your platforms. You'll reap better rewards. Okay. All right. So, and then module 5, I talk about how to schedule a broadcast. I use Aweber, talk about that. The YouTube Shorts method, actually, in my opinion, I think this video is where it gets really good because I go into depth. Okay. Module 7 is creating text posts on YouTube for your subscribers. You could create text posts like Facebook on YouTube. That way, you're not at the mercy of having to constantly churn out videos. That's why I brought this up. I'll show you how to do it. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's like we're in the same spot where you upload a video. Same deal, okay? Where the course goes into massive detail. So get it, get it from the affiliate that sent you. Go back to them. Whoever sent you, get it, okay? Get it from them. Now, if you're hearing from the vendor, just subscribe to the channel, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel is all I ask. And if you want to pick up the offer, go to the affiliate that sent you this offer and get it through them. A lot of them have amazing bonuses. Get it through them. Even though I give you massive game, you wouldn't need bonuses. Okay. All right. So what was that? Yeah. No, I got that right there. Okay, then just the upgrades, of course. You have the first upsell was FB Affiliate Influencer, or is FB Affiliate Influencer 3.0.1. Second upsell is Engagement Buyer Magnet. Third upsell is GDoc Buyer Magnet. Fourth upsell is GPTizer Buyer Magnet Method. This one right here is more so about audience building using AI launching digital products. That way you get the buyer out the gate on your email list. Okay. Um, Obviously don't get fixated with, even though GPTizer method is basically how I go about it. So just want to highlight GPTizer. It's actually very good information. Okay, and then you have the Buyer Magnet Community Vault. That's our school community where I go deeper than what I show you in my trainings and in my coachings. Okay, so pick it up. You'll see it. The Buyer Magnet Community Vault is recurring now. Okay, you pay a recurring fee. I believe it's 27 currently. It might be lower during promo or during launch, but if it's outside of launch, it's $67 a month. And there I'll be showing up doing a one-to-many kind of setting with coaching people, okay, that pay their monthly fee to be there, okay, and hopefully one day get you guys to build on something that's showing a result that you could build a case study to, so then I can show you how to launch a product around it and launch it with affiliates so that you could get buyers out the gate on your email list. Instead, that way it's not just an email list, it's a buyer's list, a buyer's email list, okay? At the end of the day, it's about cultivating your buyer's email list, okay? Because once they're a buyer, they're always a buyer till they fall off, die, or don't like you anymore and subscribe. That happens, you know. Uh, it just, it's the nature of the game, okay? But there's ways to tap into intent buyers as well, okay, where you don't have to launch products. And this offer does cover that in the sense as far as we're doing review videos, because review videos is intent buyers, intent buyer traffic. You get those emails with a freebie, you have basically a buyer on your list that didn't buy from you. Okay. So, yeah, that's why it's called the buyer magnet method. And we're talking mostly about YouTube. Okay. Like I said, there's probably going to be another upsell around here. And that's going to be separate from FB Affiliate Influencer 3.3.0.1. Okay. It'll be kind of like an extension of it, should I say. That's not inside that particular offer, which is this one right here. And it's just going to be strictly me doing the attraction marketing side, leveraging groups where they come to you. The motions you do with AI and specific threads you put aside, you can go back to and have the parameters set in AI to where you come up with amazing replies, what to take out so it's not so obvious from AI. And that way people will like, wow, man, this is a great reply. This guy knows his stuff, which all you guys are intelligent. I'm sure you know something without AI. but it's automation there for a reason. I know my stuff, but the automation's there. If you interact with it, especially ChatGPT, you interact with it regularly, it picks up on your style, your tone, how you talk, your copywriting. It picks up on all that. Okay, so if you're not actively talking to the machine, then you're gonna have to train it how to sound like you. Which I believe in GDoc Buyer Magnet, there is a bonus in there that shows you how to train it. If you have not started using ChatGPT yet, if you're still living under a rock, okay. So you can get it up to speed to make it sound like you through a training I have in GDoc Buyer Magnet. Okay. All right, so that is going to conclude this review video. If you got enough information to make a informed buying decision to pick up this offer that shows you how to build organically, mostly through YouTube with a hint of Facebook. Like I said, I'll have a more in depth upsell next to FB Affiliate Influencer 3.0.1. Okay, that has other ways of more hunting, like hunting for leads, which that works just as good. Okay, the only thing with that is the Facebook gods tend to stop you sooner, even though it's quicker to do it that way when you hunt for them. They stop you sooner. Okay. But when you do attraction marketing, not so much. You just do it in numbers and then people come to you. They gravitate to following you, friend requesting you, obviously want to vet the profiles, whatever. And actually getting on your email list. Like they'll crawl through the links and want to see what you're about, get on your email list. Like I see that happen. That happens to me. Okay. So that'll be a separate upsell. I'm just gonna go ahead and knock that video out, get that ready to go for you guys. So you can snag it. Okay. That said, I will end this video. If you like the information so far that I conveyed to you, go ahead, like the video. Helps the channel grow tremendously. And to subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon. Okay. Now as far as picking up the buyer magnet method, uh, from the timestamp of currently right now, we are not launched yet. But if we are launched and you're getting the information and then you hit this video for some reason, go back to that affiliate that sent you, that brought you to watch this video. Go back to them because I'm not going to have a link to this offer. I prefer for you to help the affiliate out, and not only would you be helping the affiliate out, you're also helping yourself out because it's a great product. I'm showing you some dope ninja tricks. I've been in this game for over 15 years. Okay, I got some arrows in my back. Even though they say you should go look for the people with that already have arrows in their back and model what not to do. Okay, it's a very quantum world we live in. When I say that, that means how they say quantum computers is ones and zeros, how it computates ones and zeros. It's kind of funny because nature is kind of like that. It's one and zero simultaneously. It's when you hear me say that phrase, it's a quantum. No set way, pretty much, is what I'm getting at. It's basically the metaphor. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video, click that bell icon. See y'all in the next review video.